Well, so Dogs Trust have done some really impressive polling that actually shows that 52% of people are concerned about veterinary bills. We know that about 25% of the calls that they're getting at the moment are specifically about the cost of living crisis. And it is really, really important for people that they have access to a dog food bank as well. We know how important it is for people's mental health, for example, that they have animals with them. But we are finding a situation where far too many people are having to choose between feeding themselves or feeding their dogs. And that's why something like this is so, so important. Governments at all levels are doing their best to try and support people during the cost of living crisis. There's a number of temporary measures in place, but one of the things that I think the British government could do is go further and abolish VAT on dog food at this time. Those prohibitive costs are extremely unhelpful to dog owners at this time.